Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list with the usage of the Contacts app. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And now we have to tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Now let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what we will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on Add Picture, and here we've got the list of options. So we can either open our camera apps to take a photo immediately, open our gallery. Here we've got Google Photos, so those are basically backed up, and illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, so you can find some options. It is especially useful if you do not have the photo of the person whose contact you'd like to customize. So just find the photo you'd like to use. Let me choose maybe this one, this llama. And here you've got some kind of presets, so you can also use them. And basically in this step you can also zoom in or out the photo and change the position of it. And thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose. It will immediately appear right here, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the contact has been saved, and of course you will be able to see the photo on the contact list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.